So this is the radius of the circle, and this is the perpendicular height, and this L is the slant height of the cone. So, and this is the net of this cone here. This sector here is for this curve, and whereas this circle here is for the circle of this. So this is the net of the cone. So the area of a circle is pi r squared, and the area of the curve is pi rl. So together, if we add them up, so that will give us the surface area of this cone here. So surface area is equal to pi r squared plus pi rl. So please take note of this. Now find the surface area of this correct to nearest square centimeters. So this means the answer should be whole number. So first of all, we know that the surface area is equal to pi r squared plus pi rl. So pi r squared is the area of the circle, which is the area of this here. And then pi rl is the curves. So this curve here. So now surface area is pi r squared plus pi rl. So the radius is 2, so which is pi times 2 square and plus pi times the radius, which is 2, and the slant height, which is 5. So I can just work that out. So 2 square is 4, so 4 times pi is 4 pi, 2 times 5 is 10, so 10 times pi is 10 pi. So which give me 14 pi. Just collecting like term, that's all. 4 pi plus 10 pi is 14 pi. Now this is exact. Okay, the answer is exact, or in term of pi you like, but we need correct to nearer to square centimeters. So I just put in a calculator, which give me 14 and shift pi, which give me 43.98, or so 43.9, so therefore it's 44, so which is 44 square centimeters. Don't forget the unit. Now otherwise you can just put in your calculator from this. That's all you need to do. So let's see. So all I need to do is just bring calculator up first. So let's say shift pi times 2 square plus pi times 2 times 5 equal 43.98 and so on. So correct to nearest square centimeters, so 44 square centimeters. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. So first of all, we know that the surface area of this is pi r squared plus pi rl. So pi times the radius square, the radius in this case is 5, so 5 square plus pi times the radius, which is 5, and times the slant height, which is 8. So all I need to do now, I just put this in calculator, show shift, so which is clear this first, so which is shift pi times 5 square is 25, and then plus shift pi times 40, or just times 5 times 8 is okay. There's nothing wrong with that. So which give me 204.2, but we want whole number, so because it's 0.2, so less than 5, so the answer is 204. So 204 square centimeters. This is the net of a cone. So it will look like this. So please stop the video and try this one yourself. So we know that the surface area of this, so SA, is equal to pi r square, which is a circle, plus a curve, which is pi r l. So now the radius, because the diameter is 5, or 5 here if you like, so the radius must be from here to here. Half of 5 is 2.5, so which is pi times 2.5 square plus pi times 2.5, the radius, and then times slant height, which is 12. So I just put this in the calculator. So shift pi, I just move it up a bit. So pi times 2.5 square plus shift pi times 2.5 times 12. So which give me 113.88 and 2 so on. But we only want 2 decimal place. So I just write the answer down first. So which give me 113.8827 and so on. But we require to write correct to 2 decimal place, so which is equal to 113.8 because 88 because we write up to here because 2 is less than 5, so the answer is 113.88 square centimeters. Find the surface area of this correct to 2 decimal places. So first of all, we know that the surface area SA is equal to pi r square plus pi r l. Now the radius, because it's 14.6, is the diameter. So therefore the radius will be half of that. So r is equal to 14.6 divided by 2, which give me half of 14 is 7 and half of 6 is 3. So 7.3 centimeters. That is the radius. So that is pi r square, which give me pi times the radius 7.3 square plus pi times the radius. The radius is 7.3 times the slant height. So therefore, we need to find the length of this because we need to find L. Then we have to use Pythagoras theorem. So first of all, we know that this here is 6 and this line here, which give me 7.3. So I just write here first. So L square is the hypotenuse along the side, so which is L square equal 6 square plus 7.3 square is equal to, so which give me 89.29. So 89.29. So now to find out L, so I just square root the answer, which give me 9.449 and so on. So just write down L is equal to, so 9.449. I just write 3 decimal place first. Then what I do, I store this in my calculator. So go shift, answer, shift, store A. Okay, I'm just gonna store that in memory A because I'm gonna use that in a sec. So now the radius, I mean the slant height is 9.449. So now I just put that in a calculator. So which is shift pi times 7.3 square plus pi, shift pi times 7.3 and then times the the memory A, so alpha A. So this is it. Will give me 384.123 and so on, because we want to correct to these two decimal places. So 184.23. So 184.23. And don't forget the unit. The unit is square centimeters.